taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world. With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
Olá, Antônia! Aqui é o Elias Filho e olha, tô passando aqui, fiquei sabendo que você gosta do nosso forrozão, viu? Que Deus abençoe o coração de vocês aí em Londres, tá bom? Um beijo! Valeu, Antônia! Alô, Filipinas! É nóis!
Good morning! Good morning, people! My name is Antonia. Okay, guys, how are you everyone today? Before I start, kinukumusta ko kayong lahat. Okay guys, good morning sa lahat ng mundo. Good morning Philippines, England, Portugal, Madeira, UK, and of course, Philippines. Okay people, guys, today I'm gonna make a peanut butter pancake. Okay guys, and banana. So, let's start and I show you my recipe. Gonna be delicious and yummy. Gagawa po tayo na ngayon ng pancake na para sa almusal at sa snack. Okay guys, really easy and simple and quick. People, this is my recipe today. I got flour, butter, salt, baking soda, peanut butter, egg, and milk. So, ayan guys. Of course, may banana tayo. And ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ayan, get. Ayan. Look at this. Flour, egg, peanut butter, milk, butter, baking soda, and sugar, salt, and banana. So guys, ayan, very, very nice. I love pancake, by the way, especially in, especially in breakfast. It's so nice and with coffee. Oh, I love it. Okay guys, let's start now. Okay people, hinaan ko and then, okay na, I'm gonna put the baking powder, sugar, and haluin, and then I need to put the egg. Okay, another one egg, and mix it. A little bit sugar, a little bit salt, sorry. A bit salt, of course milk, and mix it. Put a little bit milk. If you need the recipe guys, just click and about our picture. What's a bit? Yeah, that was amazing, okay? Guys, and then sasamahan ko siya ng banana. and mush it. Mush. Mush natin siya ng pinang-pinang. Sarap. Look at this, guys, people. It's so nice. Ayan. And then mix it. Guys, look at this. Oh, amazing, isn't it? Okay guys, this is cooked now. So this one's already done. Mix all together the ingredient, the recipe. So I mix it and then let it cook. Lutuin na natin yung pancake. Gagamitin ko siya ng butter, okay? But I need to put a little bit of oil, so nice as well. Okay guys, lagyan ko siya ng just a little bit oil. And then I mix the butter. Okay. Okay, guys. Let's start now. Look at this. Ayan. Gamitin ko siya ng para parehas yung size. I did this because to be the same size. Right. Look at this. Okay. Okay, look at that. I love it nice and brown. Okay, look at that. It's amazing. Look at that, guys. It's so nice. The kids love pancake, isn't it? So, you know, even adults love pancake. Look at that, amazing. I love pancake. Wow, great. Look at these people. Madali lang siyang lutuin at easy to make, easy to cook, and the recipe is easy to find. So guys, pancake is good for everyone. So I love. Okay guys. Wow. Nearly done. Nearly done. Look at this, guys. Ayan, amazing, delicious. It smells fantastic. Great, isn't it? Fluffy. Nice and soft. Okay, guys, look at this. It's all done. Look at that, amazing. Delicious. Okay, people. Wow. Ooh. Yes. Okay. Done. This. It's here anyway. Look at that. Amazing pancake, people. Okay, guys. Lagyan natin ng peanut butter. Okay guys, look at that. Wow, so delicious. Look at that. And then, lagyan natin siyang banana. Put the banana. Tipiko. Hindi ko rin. I left one because for my son. Okay, look at this, guys. So amazing and delicious. And then, of course, I'm gonna put the sauce. Okay, people, huh? Okay guys, look at this. That caramel. Oh, delicious. Okay, people. Wow, delicious total, guys. Thank you so much. Look at this amazing, delicious peanut butter banana pancake. Look at that. So amazing and delicious. Wow. Great. Fantastic, guys. And sana po nagustuhan nyo ang aking peanut butter banana pancake. And so amazing and delicious. Good for everyone. And please thumbs up for me. And please subscribe and like. In the kitchen, we are fire. I'm fire. Okay. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Look at that. It's so delicious. I want to try. Okay, I want to try later. Amazing and delicious, people. Mmm. Okay, people, look at that. Amazing, isn't it? Beautiful. Wow, it's really good. Gorgeous. Amazing. Peanut butter, banana, and pancakes. So amazing. Let's start and eat. Where's my fork? Okay, let's start and eat. This is my fork. Try natin yung peanut butter and banana. And pancake. Oh, great. Wow, so delicious. I love peanut butter. I love it. Look at that, guys. I think it's amazing. Beautiful. I love banana. What the? Perfect. Thank you, guys. Thank you for your watching, and I love you, everyone. Love you. Bye now. See you our next video. Bye. Have a nice day.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.